Hi, I'm Robert Kaljian, President of Kaljian Construction Incorporated. At Kaljian Construction, we do interior remodels, including kitchen and bath, do all handyman services. Included in all that would be toilet replacement, faucet replacement, interior can lights, interior doors, moldings, whatever you need done. So I started out after high school as a cabinet maker, owning my own cabinet shop. And attention to details is a huge thing as a cabinet maker. And that I've brought into being a general contractor and the details I complete in your home to make it wonderful. Best reason to use Kaljian Construction is the attention to detail that I give each job. And they're at all phases of the job and make sure that it's what you asked for. In every job, I'm there at the beginning, middle, and end of the job. I do all the demo and electrical and plumbing, and then call in my subs to do all the drywall and other specialty trades. That way you get an expert in all the fields for your remodel. We are on time for our jobs, and we also protect your home, tarp things, cover things, move furniture as needed, and protect your home just as it was our own. In your estimate, all the phases of the job are line itemed, so there's no misunderstandings on what's happening in all phases of the job. It's a wonderful feeling at the end of each job when a customer smiles and says it's just what they wanted. Please give me a call so we can discuss your project. I'd love to sit down and go over the details of what your dreams are.